Today we discussed about secondary market. A secondary market is one where investors can trade financial products with other investors. It works like a second-hand market in that investors buy and sell used rather than new stock, bonds, options or futures. This market is also known as the stock market. The secondary market is a market in which existing securities are resold or traded, and this market is also known as stock market. Then stock market represent the secondary market where existing securities like shares and debentures are traded, and secondary market or trade and listed the industrial securities. The next, role of stock exchange. The first one, raising capital for business. The stock market helps companies raise funds for their business by selling shares to the public for investments. The lack of resources necessary for growth, selling shares on the stock market. So they can provide as infusion of capital, and the company can use the capital to develop and strengthen the organization. The next, mobilizing savings for investment. Stock market help the public mobilize savings to invest in yielding economic sectors, which results in higher yield both to the individual and to the national economy. Stock exchange provide proper security, guidance, liquidity and marketability in the dealing of various securities, and they can encourage the habit of savings of investment. The investments are mutual funds and other various securities. The next, helps the company grow. The selling and buying of shares helps in the growth of the company by acquisition or fusion. In cap in capital market, the companies listed on a stock exchange can quickly raise affordable capital by issuing more shares for investors to purchase. So the capital raised from the issuance of a shares can be used to help the company grow and pay different business costs. The next, profit sharing. The stock market help both the casual and professional investors earn a share of the company profit. In the stock market, earn profit shared by both casual and professional investors. Then, corporate governance. Stock exchange have proper rules and regulation for companies to get listed. So, the listed public sector companies have better management record than the unlisted companies. The main direct contribution of stock exchange to corporate governance has been listing and disclosure standards and monitoring compliance. So, the stock exchange have established themselves as promoters of corporate governance recommendation for listed companies. Then, investment opportunity for small investors. Small investors can and buy a small number of shares. Thus, it creates investment opportunity for small investors. In stock market, invest in shares in open to both the large and small investors because a person buys the number of shares they can afford. The next, functions of stock exchange. The first one, economic barometer. A stock exchange is a reliable barometer to measure the economic condition of a country. Every major change in a country and economy is reflected in the prices of shares. The rise or fall in the share prices indicate the boom or recession cycle of the economy. Stock market act as economic barometer. The economic barometer indicator of condition prevailing in the country. So, in any changes in country's economy, they reflected the prices of shares. So, the price can be rise or fall in boom or recession period. The next, pricing of securities. Stock market helps in valuation of securities based on the factors of supply and demand. The securities offered by companies that are profitable and growth oriented tend to be valued higher. Valuation of securities help creditors, investors, and government in performing their respective function. In secondary market, the only way to determine the price of securities, the rule of supply and demand. A stock exchange enable this process constant valuation of all the securities. Such prices of shares of various companies can be tracked the index we call the Sensex. The next, safety transaction. Transactional safety is ensured as securities that are traded in the stock exchange are listed, and the listing of securities is done after verifying the company's position. All companies listed have to adhere to the rules and regulations as laid out by the governing body. The government strictly governs and regulates the stock exchange. So all the transactions occur within the legal framework. So this provides the investors with assurance and a safe place to transact in securities. The next, contribute to economic growth. Stock exchange offers a platform for trading of securities of the various companies. This process of trading involves continuous disinvestment and reinvestment, which offers opportunities for capital formation and subsequently growth of the economy. In stock exchange, security of various companies are bought and sold. So, this process of disinvestment and reinvestment help to invest in most productive investment proposal, and this lead to capital formation and economic growth. The next, spreading of equity cult. Stock exchange encourages people to invest in ownership securities by regulating new issue, better trading practices, and educating public about investment. The stock exchange ensure wider ownership of securities. It actually educates the public about the safety and the benefit of investing in the stock market, and it ensure better quality of transaction and smoothing functioning. So this idea is to get more public investor and spread the ownership of securities for the benefit of everyone. The next, providing scope for speculation. To ensure liquidity and demand of supply of securities, the stock exchange permits healthy speculation of securities. By permitting healthy speculation of trade securities, the stock exchange ensure demand and supply of securities and liquidity.